Honey is one of the most appreciated and valued natural products, introduced to humankind, since ancient times. Honey is used not only as a nutritional product but also in health described in traditional medicine. The aim of this review is to emphasize the ability of honey and its multitude in medicinal aspects. Traditionally, honey is used in the treatment of eye diseases, bronchial asthma, throat infections, tuberculosis, thirst, hiccups, fatigue, dizziness, hepatitis, constipation, worm infestation, piles, eczema, healing of ulcers and wounds, and used as a nutritious supplement. Syrup and honey are both sweet foods that Americans love to eat with their breakfast foods and more. Whether they top pancakes with table syrup or add honey to their evening tea, consumers want to enjoy a high-quality product that is safe to consume. Yes, drinking water and honey can help you lose weight. Get the plaguing thoughts about the sugar aspect of honey out of your head, as that is one of its benefits. Honey has amazing bacteria-killing properties. If you go for raw organic honey, it is full of enzymes, vitamins and minerals that lead the front line, protecting against bacteria. According to the Mayo Clinic, hot water with honey can help reduce the soreness and irritation of a sore throat. Not only will drinking warm water and honey increase your hydration, it also helps to increase the level of good cholesterol in your body and reduce cardiovascular strain.